And joining us now to weigh in from Los Angeles is former prosecutor and former detective Don Schweitzer, and here in New York is defense attorney Kimberly Lerner. You can never have too many Kimberlys.
I agree.
All right, good to see you guys. Don, I'm going to start with you. So was the judge right to send Paris back to jail?
He was right. She needed to go back. She just demonstrated more of her arrogance by not showing up to court. The sheriff undermined him or tried to do so. I think it was about public perception and letting the people in Los Angeles know that the law applies to her. So I have no problem with her sending her back, but I do think increasing the sentence to 45 days was a little heavy-handed. I wish he wouldn't have done that.
Well, he didn't really, I think, increase it. The original sentence was 45 days, and he gave her a must-do 45 per se,
Yeah,
but she's still going to get out in 18 days. It's against the law to not get credits. Do you see what I'm saying? So she's not going to be in there that long.
But you know, from because you worked here in Los Angeles.
I sure did. Under Gil Garcetti. Good times,
right.
Good times.
Right, and that never happens. I mean, you know, that was a very unusual sentence, and to give it to her just because her attorneys told her to call it in, to phone it in, and not show up for court, it seems heavy-handed. But I do think that it was right for sending her back because nobody gets to have a psychiatrist show up at the jail, speak to the sheriff in person and say, hey, let my client out.
Under the influence. She just got a plea bargain to reckless driving.
You know, and what does it take to go to a alcohol program that they prescribe for anybody out here? Why is Paris unable to attend this program? It's just arrogance. She's letting the court know that I'm too busy. You know, that doesn't apply to me because I'm a Hilton. You know, I'm above the law. So I've got a real problem with her conduct, and I think that's why she got the treatment that she did.
At a certain point, she has to grow up and be an adult. This isn't nursery school, so she has to take her thumb out of her mouth and sort of figure it out.
You know,
all right, I got to wrap. But you guys, thank you so much, and I'll get back to you in a bit.